another human being. And so in the spirit of calling for justice, we're asking those who have your smartphone and smart devices to pull them out right now. One of Tamir's relatives Tanya is going to share a little more about a petition. We're asking for your support. I believe there may also be a hard copy for those who do not have access to your smartphone. But we're asking everyone to participate in this petition calling for justice for Tamir.
I just wanted to say this. On November 23rd, our family lives changed forever. And that was the motivation for me to create this petition, to create Tamir'S Law, a protocol for police responding to children. It needs to be revised, reviewed, and revamped. We're trying to get some laws created that this will never happen again. No mother should have to bury her child at 12 years old. It's totally unacceptable. So I want y'all to pull your cell phones out right now and sign the petition to create Tamir'S Law on change.org. Thank you.